Hello. Can you hear me properly? Thank you. Welcome to my presentation. This is about deploying your Python web application to the Google Cloud platform. My name is James Mwai. I am from Kenya. I'm the CTO and co-founder of a startup called Sky Garden. Sky Garden is an e-commerce platform for small-scale businesses. And we are only in Kenya for now, but we are hoping to expand across the continent very soon. So what we do is we go to brick and mortar shops. They're already selling offline, but they're not able to sell online, and we help digitize their inventory and put it online. But we go ahead and offer, on top of that, logistics such as shipping and payments. Also in Kenya, I'm a developer expert working with Google for Google Cloud. So today we are going to look at various ways you can take your Python web application and be able to deploy it to these Google Cloud services. And we are going to go to look at Google App Engine, that is App Engine standard environment, Google App Engine flexible environment. We are going to look at GKE, and also we are going to look at a new service known as Google Cloud Functions. So let's start with Google App Engine. What is App Engine? For those of you who may not come across it, it's a platform as a service built by Google, running on their own cloud infrastructure. It has support for multiple runtimes, as we are going to see, which means you can write your application on many languages, not just Python. Obviously, being a PaaS, there is no ops on your side. All you need to do is focus on building your code and put it to the cloud, and Google handles the rest. There are two versions of Google App Engine. There is the App Engine standard environment, as well as App Engine flexible environment. An App Engine, being a web platform, it comes with a lot of built-in services that you can use within the service. The number one is blob storage, which is an API that allows you to store binary data to Google Cloud storage service. Now, Google Cloud Storage is like Amazon S3. It's a way of storing large files in the cloud. There is also a bunch of APIs that you can use to store your structured data. You can store data in Cloud Data Store. You can store data in Cloud SQL, which allows you to provision Postgres or MySQL instances. There is a built-in API for queuing your tasks in the background. If you have long-running processes, you can be able to queue them and run them after the HTTP call has ended. And you can also get access to Pub Cloud. So Cloud Pub Sub is like an advanced version of task queuing service that uses the AMQ messaging protocol. And there's a built-in emailing service that you can use. You don't have to use an external email service provider. You can use a built-in email service, which also integrates with other third-party email providers. There is a built-in API for image manipulation, so you can be able to crop your images, resize them, and you can also be able to change the orientation of those images. You also get built-in caching, which runs on top of memcached, so you don't have to provision another caching instance. You can just utilize a built-in caching API.